Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a game changer when it comes to team collaboration, Notion. Let's dive right into how you can use it to enhance your team's productivity and streamline your workflow. First up, you need to create a workspace. This is where your team will collaborate. Think of it as your virtual office. Simply click on the New Workspace button on the left sidebar, name it, and invite your team members. This step is important as it creates the central hub for your team. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating pages. Pages are like documents where you can add content, tasks, or anything else relevant to your project. Just click on the plus Add a Page button, name it, and select the type of content you want to include. The reason we do this is to organize our workspace and keep everything in one place. Next up, we're going to take advantage of Notion's templates. Templates can save you a lot of time by providing pre-made layouts for different tasks like meeting notes, project trackers, and more. Simply click on the Templates button, choose the one that suits your needs, and click Use this template. This helps us because templates eliminate the need to start from scratch and ensure consistency across our team. Once we're done with templates, let's look at how we can assign tasks. This is as easy as adding a new block, typing in the task, and assigning it to a team member. This is key for keeping track of who's responsible for what and ensuring accountability within the team. Finally, let's talk about integrating with other tools. Notion allows you to link or embed files from Google Drive, Trello, GitHub, and more. Just click on the plus New Embed button, paste the link, and voila! It's right there in your workspace. This makes it easier to access all your important resources without leaving Notion. And that's it, folks. With these tips, you can effectively use Notion for team collaboration. Remember, it's all about streamlining your workflow and enhancing your team's productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.